I am in the sunny weather, in the warm weather of Nigeria. In that Nigeria, I am in the city called Jos, Plateau State. And right now, we go to a hiking, me and my guys, to a place called Shera Hills. It's a wonderful place. It's a rocky side, so lovely, beautiful for hiking. Because me, I like hiking and I like to explore new things. In this place, you can see how the rock are. The rock are on top of one another. It is like as if you are going to push it down. But these rocks are there for ages. This is how they are. Come wind, come rain, it still remains like this from generation to generation. I'm blessed, I'm happy to see these rocks. So that is why me and my friends, we come here right now in Shera Hills, just Plateau State, to explore this place, hiking. So without no wasting of your time, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and follow me so that you will be notified anytime I make a video like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification button and comment anything you like or anything you don't like. Thank you. Without no wasting of your time, please let's go and start the hiking. Yeah, and you can see we are going on the hike. We are approaching the rock. Can you see the beauty of Plateau, Jos? Can you see the elegancy and the nature of this rock? Can you see how like this rock on top of another? But it is not easy to go on top. But I thank God, we are approaching. You see, I look like I can't wait to be on Plateau. I was told that there is a curve you have to go through inside before going on top. So that is what we are doing now. And we are approaching slowly. Man, it's not easy because we climb up and down. Although that is the beauty of the hiking and that is the beauty of it. Anything that is easy have no value, but whatever that is difficult, it have a value. Man, so you can see how we are going around, we are moving around, climbing on top, try to find way to go on top of the mountain. From here you can see there are many mountains and many rocks. Over there is the city. So you see from far away, this is just Plateau State. In case if you come to Nigeria, you want to explore also, you can come to just Plateau State. Thank you. And from here you see the elegancy and the beauty of nature, the rock. The rock name is Grok. That is the name of the rock. I asked about the name, they say it's Grok. So when you try to visit this place, thank you. See you in another video of mine.